Hey everyone, in today's video we will explore the pflag package. This package is very useful to read CLI flags. If you are trying to build a CLI tool, then you must know about this package. But Golang's standard library already have flag package which can be used to read CLI flags. Then why do we need pflag? The pflag gives more than standard flag, so we will see those features while learning pflag. Now let us install the pflag package in our module. Okay, it is installed. Now we can use it in our code. Now we will write a first program to read a flag, and this flag will be a string type, so we will use string function of pflag. This is string type. Okay, so we need to provide three parameters here. First is name of the flag, so I'm saying fname, which means first name of the person, and then default value, I'll say default value as Prithvi, and last parameter is description of the flag. This is flag name, this is default value of flag, and the description. So description, I'll say name of the person. Now this string function returns a value. We'll store it in the variable, so I'll call it a fname. That's it. Now we need to call a parse, the parse function. So we'll call it pflag dot parse. Without calling this function, the library will not parse it. Now we have this variable, we need to use it, so we'll just print this one to see whether it is whether you're able to pass and we are able to read it or not. I'll say fmt.println first name and then fname. This returns a pointer to string. This is return type is pointer to string, so we need to use asterisk here. Now I'll run this program. Go run main.go. Now please note that I'm not passing any variable here, so it should print default value which is Prithvi. Great. So it is printing Prithvi now. So I will pass a value to flag. The flag name is fname. So it should be hyphen fname. Then its value. So I'll say Parthiv. This time when I run this program, it should print Parthiv instead of Prithvi. Okay, it prints Parthiv. So it works. Okay, there is another function which ends with var. So StringVar, IntVar, and so on. So we will use it and see how it works. Pflag, then string var. It need 4 parameters. Please note, this string function need 3 parameters. This one needs 4 parameters. First parameter is variable name. So we need to create a variable name first. So I'll say var lname string type. We need to use it here. So this expect pointer to string. So I'll pass lname ampersand, and then flag name is lname, then its default value will say sing, description is last name of person. Now again, this should be before parse. I'll run it again. Without providing lname, it should print sing. Sorry, I missed it here. I need to use it here. Copy, paste, last name. This is lname. Let's run it. This time it should print sing. Now I'll pass flag from command line. This time L name I'll say Rathor. So it prints Rathor this time. So this is another way to read flag. First one was the type of the function name, which type, which is string here, and then type, and then var, which expect the variable inside the function parameter, first parameter of the function. So till now we are reading string type of flag. First name and last name both are string. Now we will use different type with different type of function. So it is not necessary that we can use only string type of flag. We can use integer, boolean, float 32, any data type which is supported in Golang. So I'll try to read a integer type flag with different function. This time I'll use IntP function. So let's see how to use it. pflag IntP. This function need 4 parameters. First parameter is the name of the flag. Second is shorthand. Shorthand is the short form of the flag. So this will be A. I'll show you how to use it. Default value is 18, and description of the flag. So I'll say is of person. This returns pointer to integer, so I'll assign it to variable, which variable name is age. Now let's use it. Let's print it. Since it is pointers, I need to use asterisk. A is, and then is equal to. Now first time I'll try to run program without passing the age flag and see what it prints. So it is expected that it prints default value, which is 18. Now we can pass using hyphen age and then 30. This is 30 is printed. But most important thing about this int p, it can be string p, boolean p, or whatever, but this p is for short form. So a's short form is a. So I don't need to specify a's. I can specify single hyphen a and pass value. This time I'll pass 35. Here it is. So it prints 35 with hyphen a as well. So this is most important. We'll see more on upcoming videos. For now, this is the simplest way. Now there is one more function similar to var, like StringVar. We can have int with v and var. Let's see how to use it. This time I will use a different type. Hopefully I can use flag, not flag, but let's use integer only. Integer with var and then p. So like StringVar, this expects the first parameter as a variable. So I need to create a variable, then pass it. So I'll create a variable. I'll name it as var salary, integer type. I will pass it here, salary, which expects pointer, so ampersand. Flag name is salary. Short form is as salary. Default salary, let's say 15,000 rupees, and description is salary of person. Now again we'll run this without passing anything. 35 name Parthiv. Oh, we didn't print it. We need to print it to see the output. So salary equal to salary here. Let's run it. So without passing salary flag, it prints 15,000, which is default value. I'll pass it with hyphen salary equal to 18,000, not equal to but without equal to 18,000 it is. We can pass only s, this is with single hyphen, and I'll change it to 28,000. It should print 28,000. Yeah. Now we will see what is use of these descriptions. Why do we need it? So this is useful when we make some mistakes while running any command line flag. It gives what are the options available and what are the and or the description as well. So let's see, I want to print something. Let's say this flag is not available. Let's say I'll say y flag is not there, right? So I'll provide some random value, and this will fail because this flag is not there. Flag is not there, so it should tell me what are the flag available and what are the values, default values, and description. Let's see. It says these are the flag available. This is the uses. These are flag available. Is integer type, which is description, default value, f name, last name, type, and default value, description, and so on. Similarly for salary, it says unknown yy. This is intentional because I wanted to show you that what is the use of this description. This is useful to show user that what are these values, what you need to pass.